Hello everyone, welcome back to A4 Analysis. Today we will talk about how to use t-table to find t-score for a given confidence interval and degree of freedom. So most of the times we will be given with the confidence interval and sample size, and from that we can find out the corresponding t-value. So the t-table looks something like this. On one side you can see that we have degrees of freedom, and on the other side we have the alpha value for one-tailed and two-tailed, and using these two information we can find the corresponding t value. Let's take one example. So we have values from 1 to 29 for degrees of freedom, and large means when the sample size is more than 30 or greater than 30. So T score is usually used to estimate population mean from sample mean when the sample size is really very small or sample size is less than 30, and also the population is normally distributed. So in such cases we will use t distribution, and let's look at one example here. So if we are given a sample size of 41 and degrees of freedom will become 40, because n minus 1, this is how we calculate degrees of freedom. Whenever we are given with the sample size, we can calculate the degrees of freedom as this, and confidence interval is also given to us as 98%. So alpha we can calculate by deducting the confidence interval from 1. So 1 minus 0.98 will be 0.02, and for two-tailed the t value will be 2.327. Let's go back and check again. So degrees of freedom is 40, means it will be large, and we want for alpha 0.02. So 0.02 is this one. Scroll down a little bit to 0.327, as simple as that. And as you can see that the sample size is greater than 30, but I already told that t distribution will be used for small sample size, but exceptions are allowed because t distribution is robust to the assumption that population has to be normally distributed. Robust means slight slightly, if it is deviating from the assumption, it will still hold true, or at least it will not be critically impacted. That is the reason even when the sample size is not less than 30, we are able to use t-table and t-score. Originally, if the sample size increases, t-value and z-value will become same, but ideally when the sample size is less and we are trying to estimate population mean from sample mean and the population standard deviation is unknown to us, t value comes handy in such cases. So that's it for the video, guys. Hope you guys found this one helpful. If you did so, please make sure you subscribe and comment below whatever you want to see next. We'll meet again very soon. Bye guys.